Hi viewers, welcome to the Trendy Products. Today we are going to review a makeup set for your little kitty girl. You can see this first set of makeup is non-toxic and is designed in laptop design. So you can see its lowest price, that is $14. Come towards its relative products. You can see a lot of products here. Product image gallery is here. You can see this product is having blush on, eyeshadow, lip glosses that makes your little kitty and wonder. Here is rating of the product, pricing detail. It ranges from $14.99 to $14.5. You may ask any question if you want to know about this product. You may ask any question before buying this product from Amazon. Let's have a review on features and details of the product. You can see real makeup with light pigments for a beautiful natural look. Easy to store click to close design, plus 2 bonus drawers with even more makeup. Set includes 1 stunning eyeshadows in an array gorgeous colors plus 8 exciting smooth and bright lip glosses plus 6 cosmetic applicators. The mirror is not scratched, it has a protective film. Non-toxic and washable. However, everyone's body chemistry is different, so certain ingredients in the makeup may cause mild irritation. If irritation occurs, rinse with water and discontinue its use. Here you can see the product information. Product dimensions for the box is given. Item weight is 13.1 ounces. Best sellers ranking is at 1825 in beauty and personal care. Customer reviews has reached 4.3 out of 5 stars. Here you can see related post. Let's come towards the customer question section, from where you can see frequently asked questions before buying at Amazon. So here's the first question. The description doesn't say what country this is manufactured in. Could anyone tell from the packaging? Thanks. So you may see the replies. It has manufactured in China or different businesses. So people are avoiding to use it due to COVID-19 situation. Now come towards next question. Here is what is the recommended age for the makeup kit? My 5-year-old granddaughter and 9-year-old granddaughter both enjoy this makeup kit. So you can see 4 to 5 years old girls can use this kit. Another question is it gluten free? So it has not the clear answer. However, you can see it is non-toxic, so it is reliable to use. Another question is it highly pigmented and does it blend well? I was thinking about getting this for my wedding makeup, but I'm not sure yet. So it doesn't blend well. However, granddaughters and you know little girls can use it and enjoy their creativity. Now come towards another important section, that is customer reviews. It is giftable. Packaging is 4.1 rating. For traveling, it has given 3.9 rating. It is stretchable. Value for money is 3.8 stars rating. Here it is top reviews. You can see the girls really enjoyed it, no skin reactions, and for the outrageous. Great gift for a little girl. There are some dissatisfaction from the customers as well. Be careful opening. Let's buy this for you, little princess. They will love and respect you when they are older. My 4-year-old daughter loves it. So, a popular choice. It's alright. So here we end up with the today's review of makeup kit for the kids.